Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to install Dropbox in your mobile device. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply open up the Play Store if you are using your Android device. Else, open up the App Store in case of iPhone. For now, I'm simply gonna open up the Play Store. Now this right here is the home page. At the top in the search bar, what you guys need to do is simply type Dropbox. I'm gonna type it right now and simply hit unsearch. The very first option that you see is Dropbox. Do note that you can directly install from right here by clicking on this install button. If you want more detailed information, simply click on the icon that is Dropbox. From here you can see multiple information like about this app, data safety, ratings and everything. What you guys have to do right now is simply hit on install. As you can see, the application is being installed. It might take some time depending upon your network speed. And guys, that's it. As you can see, the application has been successfully installed in your device. Now simply hit on open. And that's it guys. That's how we install Dropbox in your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.